For my mood board, I decided to get plain colors and extensive pictures with enough white space. My idea about the image was to use beautiful dogs in a big size that evokes cuteness and cleanliness, giving to design a properly laid out legibility and clarity to follow the ideal flow. I decided to explore two ways to make the user flow to understand the actions and pathway to book new services through the web app. Visualize the possible user decisions and the potential problems we come across through the system. Let us state the ideal scenario for the best possible design and make decisions early. The library I designed has been iterating through the process. I realized the importance of having consistency in the design of the components and the styles. Figma library helps in every design decision, no matter the change complexity, creating accessible and quick iterations. My first design had fewer pictures, and I changed the colors due to the lack of contrast. In my second approach, I tried to use solid colors and background image in a blender mode. Still, the lack of text legibility and the definition of the image made me take a different option for my final design. Clean docs images in ample white space, titles and subtitles to show the different steps and components, giving a clear hierarchy and leading the user through the ideal flow. After a round of user tests, I implement an option for reviewing the worker profile, making it easier for users to check other users' latest comments and reviews. Also, during the user test session, I found out the need for an option to cancel the booking or reschedule it. Another feature the user missed was going back on the worker payment and other screens through the application. I fixed this by adding a back button on pages, giving the user the option to change their minds. I tested the book by location system and realized that I was duplicating the date and hour information, which when the latest iteration was removed and fixed. My latest addition was a final screen to rate the dog walker once the walk was over. Here's my latest prototype for the mobile version of Bruno's best friend. I made some design changes based on the insights found on the user test and create designs for the different screen states. On the right of the screen, you can see the desktop and tablet version. On my design, I made more visible the walkers on the area section, create a rating flow for the walkers which helps the users to make a decision. Make sure that the user could go back on their decisions and cancel or reschedule their bookings from the calendar.